Welcome to Best Electronics. Are you looking for a best soldering iron brand? Watch the video and get some idea about this soldering iron. It is made of iron-plated tip and stainless steel, ensures the quality of the products and the properties of the stability and reliability. Adjustable temperature-controlled soldering irons, 200 to 450 degrees centigrade. There is a special thermostat circuit to control the temperature, and you can adjust the temperature according to your need by the knob wheel on the electronic soldering iron. This professional soldering tool is great for lead-free soldering semiconductors. It is no-need soldering station, just plug and play, also it with soft grip and non-slip handle. It has high-quality long-lasting ceramic type heater. We use iron-plated tip and stainless steel construction. It can offer longer steel construction, offer longer life. I recommend this soldering iron to everyone because this soldering iron has been tested and is being used by many people all around the world. Item specifics. Output power, about 60 W. Input voltage, 220 V or 110 V. Soldering iron length, 2.5 inches per 6.5 centimeters. Cable length, 57 inches per 145 centimeters. Plug type, EU plug, US plug. Temperature stability, 1 soldering. Output temperature, 200 C 450 C. Overall, it can be a good choice if you are really in need of a decent soldering iron and don't want to invest much money. More than 9,000 persons have already bought this soldering iron and their review shows that the soldering iron is really excellent. So, we think, this soldering iron is the best for you. You won't find such a good soldering iron at such a low price. Visit the description link for price and more details. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.